Vice Minister of Industry of Republic of Indonesia, Mr. Faisal Rizal, and then Senior Advisor to the Minister of Technology and Economy, Ministry of Public Works, Bapak Yudha Mediata. This is also my friend, Chairman of Indonesia Iron Steel Industry Association, and also the President Director Krakatau Steel. Saya panggil ini Abang ini, Pak Pardohan, and then all of the national and international steel industry player, investment partners, and then all participants on this Iron Steel Summit. Good afternoon to all of you. So I was invited to give a speech was in these 3 days of Iron Steel Summit, and then Congress for these 3 days. First, I would like to express my deepest gratitude and the highest appreciation of all delegation, exhibitor, and then committee, and then organizer. This is particularly relevant for the delegates from CIC, Southeast Asian Iron and Steel Institute, who have come from various Asian member countries. They even them building the foundation towards Golden Indonesia with the national steel industry, alliance with the industry, current focus. Steel is more than just a commodity. It is a symbol of industrial strength and resilience. It is the foundation of the infrastructure, manufacturing, and energy transformation. So, ladies and gentlemen, as Vice Minister of Investment, I would like to explain. We are as a government now have a target 8% of our whole economy goes to 8% of this 5 years. So actually, if we are talking about the investment, also we are talking about the realization of the investment. And then talking about the realization of the investment, we are talking about the construction. And then main of the part of the construction is talking about the product of iron. So I think this summit is a good moment to talk about this. The steel industry is not only physical foundation of development, but also the foundation of our economic transformation. Investment realization for the first quarter of 2025 shows an achievement on the IDR 465 trillion or 24.4% of the target of the President Republic Indonesia given to us on 2025 is our target is 1,906 trillion rupiah. On the 2024, our target is 1,600 trillion rupiah, and then we can achieve for the number of 1,700. So this is also give us a good potential of market for Indonesia investment. Additionally, investment realization for the downstream sector reached 136 trillion or 29.3% of the total investment realization in the first quarter of 2025. Investment flowing into the basic metal goods, non-machinery and equipment industry increased by 152% from 94.6 trillion in 2022, and then until 238 trillion in 2024. These numbers show how determined Indonesia is to make its steel industry productive and long-lasting which is live with our regional goal of ASEAN, of one ASEAN Plus. We believe that growth in the region will be shared and mutual, which will make ASEAN more competitive on the global scale. Ladies and gentlemen, the government of Indonesia, through the Minister of Investment and Downstream Industry, is committed to continue its support for strategic investment and strengthening of downstream industry as the part of the effort to achieve our 8% economic growth, as stated in the grand vision of the Asta Cita President Prabowo Subianto and then the Vice President Gibran Rakabuming Raka. Downstream industry encompasses more than merely processing raw materials into semi-finished or finished product. It also involves the establishment of an integrated industrial ecosystem. Our objective is to ensure that every ton of steel produced is not only economically value, but also has positive impact on welfare, industrial reliance, and then also our national economic sovereignty. As a form of government support, the Ministry of Investment and Downstream established downstream strategy that encompass iron and steel commodity. Like I said, that this is very important for our talking about our investment realization, because the part of the indicative for the realization of investment is talking about the construction, and then construction mainly related with the iron itself. So, according to the roadmap of downstream data, the downstream industry of iron and steel commodity expected to have an economic impact until 2040 through $110 billion in the investment, 50.39 billion in GDP, and then $76.99 billion in export, and the ability to employ around 845,000 people for labor work. So, for the last closing, ladies and gentlemen, this event closing ceremony similarly launch of our collaborative and process, and we are from the Minister of Investment and Downstream committed to working together with the iron industry and the community of iron. We will working together to advance this course. And finally, I would like to congratulate for this forum, for this association for your success of this event. Thank you.